Before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. Before I start using this straightener by this video sponsors TYMO, I am using OLAPLEX 9 as my leave-in conditioner and heat protectant. All right, so I'm just putting that on, but as I'm blow drying my hair, let's talk about this straightener. Okay, TYMO. This straightening comb incorporates PTC heating technology and reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit within 30 seconds and is ready in 60 seconds. Okay, it saves time when straightening more hair at once with less comb and passes because it literally has teeth built into the comb, so you don't have to do the chase method if you're not a professional. This tool basically is made to do that for you. Ceramic teeth within the patent V shape makes the hair silky, shiny, and satin-like, reducing breakage, splitting by up to 50%. Okay, so because you don't have to do as much manual manipulation because you're not a professional, this tool does it for you. Because when you're a professional, you know how to surpass the things that will cause mechanical damage, but if you're not a professional, you don't know. So this tool by TYMO does all of the work for you, because no matter what the hair type, it's 5 heat settings between 266 degrees Fahrenheit and 410 degrees Fahrenheit will give you soft hair. And this doesn't matter if your hair is thin, if it's bleached, if it's curly, if it's straight, wavy, anything. This works for all hair types and all textures. Okay, so I need you to sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and ignore my nails, because as you guys probably noticed here on my channel, I do my hair when it's time to do my nails. So I'm going to do my hair with this TYMO straightener, and then afterwards I'm going to do my nails, and then by that time I'll be tired, so I'll go to bed. Okay, but make sure you check the links in the description box for all of the information. Make sure you use all of the tools in here, especially that little itty bitty comb. They put that in there for a reason. That brush right there, oh my god, it is clutch. Use it the whole way through, and leave me some comments below and let me know what you think about this, and if whether or not you will get it. Out of all of the products I've ever told you about other than OLAPLEX, I highly recommend this one. Go get it.
Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. Shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. You told me situations left you lonely. tried to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss, that's why it's all I got. Cause you always wanna touch me, my thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, because you always wanna touch me, my thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. Lately I've been feeling like somebody else. Heard you're moving on with someone new. My friends keep telling me that it was for the best, but I don't know if I will make it through. Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. Falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. Girl, I know we said some things we didn't mean, but thought that we could figure this one out. Hate the fact that our love now is separate, but maybe someday you will realize. Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. Falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. I guess I should have known it from the start,